Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I've got the euro dollar open on a 4-hour chart. So what I've done is I've gone back and pulled this level through here. This is a key level. If we look left, see how there's been a fair bit of business around this level. Big level on the daily, 4-hour resistance distribution level. This is overextended, traded into it. So what makes sense to me is a possible retrace. So we just pull a fib from, say, this balance area low up to the high. I'm looking for a play something like that, down in to here, possibly these highs, and then maybe something like that. I'm willing to get involved with this. I'm actually already short at this level. I'll show you what I've done actually. We'll go down to a lower time frame and have a look at a bit of a trade idea. We'll just go down to the hourly. Oh, by the way, guys, if you haven't already, have a look at the links below and visit the webpage there. We trade your Forex account. You might find that interesting. And join our Telegram group. It's free. Love to see you in there. Links are below. So we've got this green candle, price gap, if you have a look at the candle left, and then the low on this range. I'm wondering whether we see the market look to rebalance, pull through here, and we've got this balance area down here on the 1H, and then we've got a 4H level under. This is the 4-hour. We'll just label it 4H. It kind of coincides with the 61.8, my yellow fib zone here. So I'm looking for a counter trend short, basically. Now I am in with a market sell on 2 of my prop firm accounts, and I've gone in at 0.2% of my account. And what I've done is I've set up a limit order above and a stop loss. We'll just go out to the daily and I'll show you those levels. So I've got a stop loss set up in there, SL. This zone, this rectangle you see here, this is a 4-hour distribution. So what I've done is I've gone in around about midway here somewhere, and this one is 0.4%. So the overall position size with this is going to be 0.6% of my account. I'm always working with a percentage of the account, not lot size as such. 0.6, and that enables me or allows me 4 trades at 0.6. That's 2.4% exposure. So it's important to get a handle on your risk and keep it consistent, have a plan, that kind of thing. So that's essentially what I'm doing. So 4-hour time frame, they're my positions. This is a sell zone. We'll go down to the alley. I generally trade like this, and I set up these 2 trades in through this range here. I call it my sell zone. So you got this 4-hour order block here. That's my sell zone. 0.2, 0.4, stop loss above, and I'm looking for, see on the 1-hour time frame, this is the hourly, and we've got this price gap through here. So I'd be looking for target 1 fairly early. See these highs over here? I would probably go in there something like that for target 1, and I'll be looking to take most of my position off 65 or 70%. That's the setup, and that's more or less a 1-to-1 if we average between these 2. I'm happy with that, right? So that's the setup. What else can I say about this? That's the play that I'm looking for, and if it does trade down in here, we could see an opportunity to get long somewhere in here. So I would set the same thing up. There'd be 0.2, there'd be another 0.4, and then my stop loss maybe under this low, something like that. And I'd be looking for a buy opportunity. But I'm happy to counter trend trade this short. That's my setup. I guess we do have somewhat of, we've got this strong drive here, and then another drive, and then a third. It's not a textbook 3-drive pattern, but we can see that there are 3 strong impulsive moves north. I always look for that, and I like to see it overextended, trading into resistance, that gives me, more reason, I mean, I'm building an argument here to counter trend trade that. So just be careful. This could seek liquidity above this high. That's why I've got this sell limit order up here waiting. Look at that. We're nearly triggered. Stop loss above. If it hits the stop loss, then we get taken out, so be it. But these setups, I get a pretty good win rate out of them, actually. I get about a 90% win rate. And if you manage your trades well, you can definitely build your account on that. And I don't mind losing a couple here and there to achieve the gains that I'm getting. So anyway, guys, that's my take on the euro dollar. Let's see how we go with that. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.